How to fix Stremio add-ons not working. The first things first is of course access your Stremio app by using your laptop or from your mobile phone. And from then, make sure that you logged into your account. Now, if you go ahead and go over to this puzzle icon right here, which is called add-ons, these are going to be the fields of all your add-ons that you downloaded from Stremio app. So you'll be able to see three options, which is going to be official add-ons, community add-ons, and my add-ons. Now on official add-ons, these are all the built-in extensions or add-ons that has already been installed to your Stremio app. Now from community add-ons, these are going to be the additional add-ons that you can choose or you'd like to be added on your Stremio app. So this problem usually happens when you add or download a third-party extension from your Streamio software or from the app itself. So all you just have to do is make sure that you downloaded it, make sure that you are inserting it to a correct folder from Streamio File Manager. So that's it. Those are the troubleshooting steps on how you can fix Streamio add-ons not working.